Now let's see how we can make our own layout in the Laravel. So in here I have this basic HTML CSS layout. As you guys can see, there is nothing else except the CSS and HTML. If I open the browser, this is my page. I have a sidebar, a navbar, footer, and a section for my content. So let's make a template so we can use it in all our pages. So let's open our browser, and in the views in here I will create a new folder with the name of layouts. Then inside this folder I will create a new file with the name of main layout.blade.php, and inside this main layout.php I will move all my HTML tags. So let's copy everything from here, Control X, and paste it in the main layout. Now we can access our main layout inside the welcome page by typing hash extends layouts dot main layout. Now if we go here, refresh, nothing has changed, so we can access our main layout. The first thing that I will do inside my main layout is to separate the sidebar and navbar to make the page a little clear. So let's move our sidebar and navbar from here to a separate page, and let's create a new file. Let's call this sidebar.blade.php. Now in here let's move our sidebar. So where is our sidebar? This is the content. Here is our navbar, and on top of that, here, this is our sidebar. So let's move all of them from here. Let's cut and paste it inside the sidebar. Paste. Now to include the sidebar inside my main layout, I will just type at include, then layouts dot sidebar. Now if we go refresh, still we have our sidebar, but we move it in here. Now let's do same thing for our navbar also. Let's create a new file and call this navbar.blade.php. Now let's move our navbar also. So in let's take it uh, from here, from header section. Let's cut all of them and paste it inside our navbar. Save and include it inside our main layout page. So add include layouts dot navbar. Now save, refresh our page. Now we have our navbar and sidebar and our template ready. Now in our welcome page we have accessed our template, but we also want to add our content also in our welcome. For example, if I want to add some input in here, so let's say input type text value something. Now for this to include it in the content section of our layout in here, right now if I refresh, the input is here, but I want it inside my content section. So for that we can specify the content section, the style section, and also we can specify the JavaScript or our script section. So this is my content, and I want all the content of the pages to be included in here. So for that I will type add yield, and I will give it a name, for example content. Now inside the welcome.blade.php, if I work this in content section, so let's type here section content, and after that we have to end our section as well, so we will type end section. Now save everything, let's go back to the browser, refresh. Now our input is in here. We can also specify as section for the style and scripts also. So if I want my styles to be in the head, so in the head I will type add yield styles. Same for scripts, and after the body I will say all the scripts should include in here, so I will type yield scripts. Now if I want to add any style specific to this page, I will just have to type, for example, let's type here add section styles and ended end section. Then in here if I type any style, for example let's say h1, it should have a color of uh, red. Now let's open, and if I see go to the page source, as you guys can see the style has been added at that top, but I have wrote the styles at the end of the page after the content, but in the when the page renders it will move all the style at the top of the page in the same place where I specify my yield. Doesn't matter in which part of the page I write my styles, it will automatically move it on the specific place. Same thing you guys can do with the scripts. So this is how we can create our template in PHP. You have to specify all the places for each section of your page.